I'm Tammi Swearington, and I'm co-owner of Gulf Coast Utility Contractors in Panama City, Florida. As co-owner, I help my husband oversee the business in general. My everyday job, I lead our accounting team here in the office, so I oversee, all of the accounting operations, payroll, billings, payables, everything really with our accounting team. I've been in the construction industry close to 30 years. I initially took a job with my dad here in Panama City. He was a paving contractor at Granger Asphalt Paving. And then within about 4 years, Mike and I started Gulf Coast Utility Contractors, and we've been doing this since 1999. I like the variety of things that we get to participate in. The recent one that really stands out to me would be the Pirates Voyage dinner show out at Panama City Beach. We were selected as the site contractor for that, so it was really a unique project to get to watch be built. And then once it was done, we got to take our entire family out to enjoy the dinner show, and it was just a great feeling of pride to sit there and know that our team was part of the building of that project. We started this business in 1999. It was my husband and I and 5 people. And over the years, we've been blessed to grow this to a rather large operation. We have over 200 employees now. We have children involved in this business. To us, it's a family business. We think that family is important, and we love to see that our business also supports families. In this industry, even though you're in an industry that is male dominated, you can make a difference, and, just be willing to learn something new every day, surround yourself with people that can teach you new things every day, and just grow, just not be afraid to grow.